everybody, Tanisha here, coming to you guys with a review. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the EdShed products. They have a Spelling Shed website and they have a Math Shed website, and both of these are going to offer you games that you can use for children in 1st through 5th grade. One thing I do want you to know is that you can do the web play with this, but they also have an app that is at an additional cost. So even if you have a subscription, the app is an additional cost. And I am using my iPad device for this demonstration, along with my son's Bam Bam's little cute tiny fingers. Go ahead and show us your little cute tiny Bam Bam fingers. We will be using his hands for the demonstration today for both websites. All right. So once your child once you log in and you get your subscription, you will create a parent account. The parent account does allow you to have up to 5 children on it. So it's really great for us large families. You're able to add the students to your class. You're able to track them. You can give them display names, but the website will give them their own personal username and login. But the name that they see will be their name, okay, the display name that you gave them. When they initially log in the very first time, they will be able to update their avatar, and then from there they will pick which game they want to play. So let's go ahead and jump right into a game. So we're going to do spelling. So Bam Bam, will you click spelling? All right, so here we are in spelling. So the stages go by the grades that you want to be focused on. So since Bam Bam is our 1st grader, we just go stage 1 and 2. So will you click that top one? Okay, and so from here you can decide what you want to do. We have done the play. We have not done the hive just yet because this is still kind of new, but this is online playing live with other people. So this is like a 2-player game. And then we have done the bonus game. So we are going to go ahead and do play. Okay, then from here you can set your difficulty level. So right now we are going to do easy for the example. Okay, so
as in a hole in the ground.
It gives you the word, it gives you the sentence as an example, and you click go. And then from there you are to spell the word. So do you remember how to spell it? Can you go ahead and do that for me?
Hole, as in a hole in the ground. H-L.
Okay, so you notice he made a mistake. So he used the backspace buttons. Okay, what's next? H. H-E.
E. L. O. O.
Good. What's next?
L.
Is that what it looked like?
E.
Okay.
Hole.
Good job.
A hole in the ground.
So something that I want you to know is that when he realized that he made a mistake, he used the backspace button. And I also want you to pay attention to how when you click on a letter, that letter no longer becomes usable.
Boy.
So let's do it for this one, so you can get a better view of that.
Oh, why?
Okay, hold on right quick. So I want you to see how once he tapped that letter, you can't go back in and you can't add it at all. It's been tapped, so it's been used. All right, you can go ahead.
Boy.
Good job. So here you're collecting points, and those points can be used to update backgrounds with your avatar. Those points can also be used to add like little fun additions to the game and things like that. All right.
July.
So once he is done, then it will display the words and let you know everything that you got right, anything that you got wrong. Alrighty. And so then it brings you back to the home so that you can play. And then there's also an option for more lists. So you can adjust the list here. Then you can create your own list with words there. So another thing that he likes playing on here is buzzwords. So with the buzzwords, you can come in here and you use the letters to create different words. So you can create 2-letter words, and it will say what you created. You can create 3-letter words. So this was also a fun game for him, and you can get points down here.
T.
Good job.
The.
Hey guys, so the next thing that I want to show you is Math Shed, and you can easily switch to the Math Shed and the Spelling Shed back and forth. So today we're going to try some add and subtract, and then from here you decide like if you're going to do addition within the limits here or just subtraction, or you can rotate through both. So let's do addition within 10 just for this example. You can make them easy, medium, or hard, and then you go ahead and get started playing. All right, so 4 plus 4. And you click it.
1 plus 7. 8.
Okay.
Plus 1. 9.
And so from there, they will just tap and the correct answers. If you notice, this one does not have the background music playing like the other game, and then up here's where you'll get your points, and it lets you know how many you have right versus how many you have wrong. So overall, with the websites, we found them to be easy to flow through. We have not found it necessary to go ahead and pay the additional, I think it's like $2.99, maybe, at least on my iPad, I believe $2 or $3.99 to get the app that corresponds with this subscription. Keep in mind that if you do decide to go ahead and purchase the app, though, all of your information does go across to that app, so you don't have to worry about losing anything that you've done on the website, any progress. All of that will be there. All right. Another thing that I like is that everything, the font is fun. Like, even though it's a clear font, it's a fun kids type font, you know, and then the information is displayed whenever they finish something that lets them know how many they got right, how many they got wrong, lets them know the answers. And so if you're with your child and you're over them while they're doing this, then you can see, okay, well, he has this down. Let's move him up. Let's make it a little bit harder. You know, let's go from easy to medium. Let's go from medium to hard. Alright guys, so overall we do enjoy using these websites in our home. This is something that we can jump on 2 to 3 times a week. You know, it just depends. Because it has the variety of the spelling and math, that gives you an option, gives your child an option to pick what they want to play with. I do really wish that the math website was organized a bit better. Again, I'm not sure how that app looks, but I wish that the math website was organized like the spelling website to break it down, keeping the 1st and 2nd grade and 3rd grade. That I would really appreciate that. But again, with math, you never know. You can move your child up or down, just like with any curriculum when you're homeschooling. You can move your child up or down based on what they are ready for. However, keeping the stuff kind of grade level allows them to be able to pick and play things that they can actually play, because my son was a bit disappointed when he clicked on some things and he was not able to play them or did not understand. And you know how kids are when they get things wrong. They do not like to get things wrong. So other than that, we have not had any other issues, real big issues. The only other thing will be a minor technical issue of every once in a while the sound does not kick on when you're playing the websites. It will kind of, like, we can switch from math to spelling and it won't come on. Then we exit out of a spelling game and all of a sudden it's playing music. So that's other than that, just little glitches like that, but nothing with playing the game. We haven't had any issues with being kicked out the game, any issues with the website not loading correctly. Everything has worked great. So if you are enjoying this review, or if you have any more questions, then definitely comment down below. But go ahead and look at the pinned comment. The pinned comment and in the description area is going to have a link to my blog, www.tanishakemp.com, and there you will find our review for this website, as well as how you can access it and get your own subscription. All right. And if you enjoyed this, guys, please make sure that you like this video and share it with another homeschooling family so they too can learn all about EdShed products and see if they could use Spelling Shed or Math Shed in their home. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy homeschooling. Bye.